Hey, what's going on, good folks of YouTube? This is Keith and you're watching Barber's Auto Help. So chances are, if you're watching this video, you're experiencing a vibration and noise coming from your dashboard whenever you turn your AC system on, which sounds similar to this. Now, it's been my experience that this sensation / noise is caused by one thing, and that's an out of balance blower motor. Now, the blower motor can become out of balance by several means. In my experience, typically it's caused by trash getting into the blower motor. In a lot of cases, trash can get into the blower motor via the glove box. On a lot of vehicles, right behind the glove box, there'll be a fresh air inlet or a recirculation air inlet that spare napkins and overflow from the glove box can actually get into. If your vehicle is not equipped with a cabin air filter or a screen like you see here on my vehicle, it's very easy for that stuff to get down in there and throw that blower motor off balance. And also debris and foreign materials can get in there via another means, which I'm sure you've already guessed. You can get rats and mice down in there, and sometimes it can get quite nasty. So as you can see in this picture here, this is debris left over from a mice infestation, and they ate the insulation out of the fender wells, and then they brought it back up into the blower motor, and it caused a similar noise such as the one you heard earlier. Now, in the case where you got a mice infestation or a rat infestation, and the worst case scenario happened, they actually passed away inside your dashboard, you not only need to remove that debris and remains, but you actually need to take the whole dashboard out, in my opinion, and you need to take the HVAC case out, and you need to go through that with some Clorox and disinfect it. Now, also, a blower motor can become imbalanced due to breakage of the fins. Also, weights can come off. It's just usually not typical that this happens. It's typically debris, but realistically, they can fail and break apart and become out of balance that way too. And in that case, you'll need to replace the blower motor. Not just clean it out, you'll need to actually replace it. Now, how do you check for something like this? How do you confirm that there's actually debris inside the blower motor? Well, of course, just like on my vehicle, if you have the recirculation door that's facing towards the glove box, you can lower the glove box, look back there, put the AC mode on recirculation, and look down in there, see if you see anything. Take the cabin air filter out, look down into the blower motor, and you should be able to see trash and whatnot in there. Now, if you don't have a fresh air intake such as the one you see in the video here, maybe it's facing more towards the firewall, and in some cases that is actually how they're set up, you can easily take the blower motor down. Usually they're held in by 3 or 4 screws. You just unplug it electrically, take the screws out, and the blower motor will come right out, usually inside the passenger compartment. On some vehicles like my Ford Ranger, it comes out through the engine compartment. So, but pretty easy to get in there all in all. Well, folks, I sincerely hope that this helped you. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I will try to get to you. However, I am experiencing a high volume of comments on my channel, and I'm having a hard time keeping up. So I'll try to get to you. So also, please read the entire description down below before you apply any of this knowledge. I'll have some more very important information down there that you need to know. And please read the disclaimer at the very end. Thanks again for watching, guys.